What's up, YouTube? It's your boy WorkMachineZo, MachZody Machine Zo, however you want to call it, and we back with another react. This time we're reacting to Creepy Tub again. Once again, this video is why you need to keep your doors locked. Caught on ring cam. This looked like it happened around spooky season, October. Got the porch pirates, late night visitors, wackos, whatever. But like, comment, and subscribe. Shout out to the Creepy Tub. Subscribe to them. Subscribe to the Chill Life of Zo. And we gonna get into this video like, whoa.
This lady's just parking her car when a
We in
robber tries to
Baltimore.
strike.
Oh no. Oh, that's a bad situation. I ain't gonna lie. Straight off the rip, call 911. You see 1, 2, 3 people at a nighttime, go ahead and get that 911 set up. 3 numbers, boop, boop, boop. Hit that in. You know what I'm saying? Because ain't nobody gonna help you this time of night, shawty.
Birmingham, Alabama.
Hey.
Hey, excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you. I was just with one of my friends. She mentally retarded and somebody
Huh? Your friend, what?
just tried to get her.
We can't answer the
Can
door
I
right now.
please come?
That should be funny that like, ding ding, ma'am, like, I need some, we can't answer the door right now. That should be rude as hell.
Like to leave a message. You can do it now.
Where's he looking? Is someone hiding out there?
He got to start his own spiel over again.
Excuse me.
That boy raised his hand.
I don't mean to bother y'all, man. My friend mentally retarded and somebody.
You can't say that, man. That's not the correct term, bro. Mentally ill, suffering a mental crisis, a mental health crisis. Boy, you can't use the R word, bro. And we ain't even taking you serious.
Just took the car from her, and I'm trying to call my wife so I can contact her mama. Somebody trying to hurt her in this park over here. I'm sorry to bother you, sir. My friend mentally retarded.
Damn, he didn't hit the mess. He got to say it 3 times again. Is mentally ill, man. And honestly, you probably the person trying to hurt her, bro. What the fuck you got going on? You trying to steal something?
I'm trying to help my friend. She mentally retarded. I just need to call my wife.
Some man walked on my porch on Blank Street, Southwest. Do you know this guy? Yeah, man. He might be the mentally one.
Baltimore, Maryland.
Baltimore.
I got it.
The two, they on the avenue. Oh, whoa, whoa, buddy, drive off. Skirt off, skirt off. Oh, he can't. Hit that reverse. Hit the reverse. Oh, this is a bad jump.
Stop the car. Hey, yo.
Hey, yo. I don't know what's going on. Who's in front of him? Okay.
I got a video of the whole thing, guys.
Damn.
If I've done something wrong, try to forget.
What's that dude name? Willie Nelson? Willie Nelson looking at that nigga, boy. Boy, you goddamn need a bath. Look all like nigga probably just hopped out the bath and you can lean the bath again.
Virginia Beach, Virginia.
Like I said, I know you're supporting a good man, and I'm down with that.
He gotta be high.
I want to do the same thing. So
This man came up to the door, never seen him before, and he was rattling on. Then took our sign, literally stole from our yard. Be on the lookout. Man, what the hell?
hopefully,
Washington, D.C. Check out this dude.
I don't know what the fuck he on. Good alcohol? Yeah, I'm with you. The dog goddamn. Same thing on my face.
This dude's high on something, but he still remembers to steal from houses.
Damn! Hi, he drunk. Look like he hit a little bit of the dog food, you know what I'm saying? Got some alcohol in him and just, he on a goddamn spree.
Please get off my property before I call the police. Please get off my property.
You can't threaten. You gotta do it, bro. You people don't care about no threat. Ain't taking threat serious, bro. You gotta show these people. As soon as you see him, 911 is on the way. Fuck is you talk about? Ugh.
Before I call the police.
I gotta do better. He going crazy.
I don't know.
Look like he's stealing all that candy and stuff. Man, that dude came to my porch obviously incredibly drunk and or high and had no idea what he was trying to do. If he tried to break in, tried scaring them off, but no, he grabbed some Gatorade snacks before leaving out for delivery drivers. Having no idea what he was saying, last running down Illinois and galloped towards Georgia Ave. What?
Hey, drop this down.
There you go. Ain't no A. It's or you know what I'm saying? If you the legal one, the boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Let some shit go. Bro, y'all gotta be armed, you know what I'm saying? They gave you the they put that shit in the Constitution for a reason. Not to be a hot boy and ride around with the fire, but to protect yourself at all times.
Citrus.
Even if you don't want to kill them, you know what I'm saying? There's bear mace, there's tasers, goddamn police batons and shit like that, nunchucks, whatever the fuck, ninja stars, whatever the fuck you into, but goddamn protect yourself.
It's California. This house is in the middle of a robbery.
Yeah, alright. They broke the weeks before. I can't fuck
Atlanta,
it.
Georgia.
ATL
Check out
shot.
this sneaky kid. He's got some kind of door lock scanner and is trying to hack it. Let's see what happens next.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Where Jit parents? Man, somebody get this little man some money, bruh. This nigga out here doing dumb shit. This the shit I hate with a capital passion, bro. You out here doing stupid shit young, bro. Somebody is gonna smoke you. You know what I'm saying? Then your parents is gonna be like, oh, he was a good boy. He was a good child. No, he out here trying to hit licks. You know what I'm saying? You can't be coming in this adult world trying to play these adult games as a kid, because the adults is gonna show you.
Hey, if you're enjoying the video, a like and subscribe would mean a lot to me and really support my hard work. Thanks so much.
Do you have a power drill?
Hell no, we ain't got no power drill.
Power drill?
Yes.
No, I don't got no tool.
But you get that little boy that drill, boy, he is going to die. He's going to go to the wrong house trying to unlock the door, and somebody's going to shoot him. So I already know. I ain't got nothing for you. You're like 11, 12 years old, probably 13.
Brooklyn, Maryland.
You in Brooklyn and Maryland at the same time? He thought he was slick.
Keep your belongings inside.
That boy said, I need a bike. Damn, boy got a good bike. Watch he hop. He ain't even hop on that motherfucker.
Brooklyn, Maryland. It's 11:42 p.m.
Get off of my set.
Damn, we going back to back in Brooklyn and Maryland? Hell, I didn't even know that was a real place. Back to
Let's see
back.
what she wants.
It was not purposely scheming, baby.
Ooh,
My pressure was
she-
up. That's it.
Oh yeah, you high.
I'm raised. I live around the corner. I don't get high. I'm not no fiend, none of that.
That's how you know they be motherfucking high, cause they volunteer all the information you didn't ask. I didn't ask if you get high. I didn't ask if you was a fiend, but you just told me. Thank you. So now you can get the fuck on.
Apologize.
Okay.
My pressure. Yeah, my pressure was up. That's all.
So why
I'm
you at
not-
my door?
Right. You gotta explain yourself. She don't even know.
Walking up the street.
So why are you at my door?
She high as a kite, bro. This is not cool. This is not good for America, because it just seems like the mental health is declining and declining. The bills is rising, the prices is rising, the gas is rising. People is stressed the fuck out. You got people who ain't never turning to drugs, man. We gotta figure this out. You know what I'm saying? Like, to all the ones for real watching, man, remember, just don't do drugs, man. Keep your mind strong, keep your mind active. An idle mind only leads to crime.
Leave you doing now.
Keep yourself
Okay.
busy.
Look. Look. Honestly, I was just scared.
What the world?
My pressure was just up.
Oh, she got the Percocet. She said my pressure was up. I got the Percocet. I just had to go cop real quick. How you pull them things out? Them is not prescribed to you, ma'am.
I would never. I don't get high.
They don't get high. You on opiates and a cigarette. The cigarette telling me everything I need to know. Trying to boost that high, ain't it, mama?
You said, yo, you ain't saved, you right?
Oh, I'm dead.
You said, yo, get off my stuff.
It's either
But
heroin
no, that's
or
what I was doing,
Percocet.
though.
She makes the heroin with the
Have a
Percocet.
good night, all right?
Man, she's a sweet lady,
And
just
God
high.
bless.
God bless. She just high.
St. Louis, Missouri. Homeowner left an empty package outside to fool the porch
I'm
pirate.
going down, down, baby. Yep. They probably been stealing, so he hit him with the
You
setup.
are currently being recorded.
He a casual.
Peoria, Arizona. This clip is heartbreaking. A car stops outside this home and a lady dumps 4 puppies.
Damn, bitch. Take them bitches to the animal shelter, gang. Like, this bitch right here, you could tell she ain't good with kids neither. Just wildin'. Caught on ring, too. But somebody make a good home for him.
It's sad to see people behaving like this. Sun City, Arizona.
Back to back, Arizona.
Check out this late night creep trying the doorknob.
Bruh, why these people don't be home? Why these people don't be home, bruh? That's what I just don't understand. I get it, you ain't gonna be home 24 hours of the day. You got the ring camera, blah, blah, blah. But damn, bro, nobody home all the time?
Virginia Beach, Virginia.
I'm desperate. Flag on the play, bro. That screen door's supposed to be locked. What you got a screen door for if it's not gonna be locked? Ain't no way that door should swing open and he should be this close to you. Cause when you open the door, nigga is in your property. This don't make no sense.
Cuz. Reagan, stop looking.
Cuz.
Check it.
Hold on, let's check this out. Lady rang our doorbell and kept banging on our door telling us to come outside even after we told she had the wrong house. She finally left after we called the police. She's looking for someone. It's like she was trying to fight. And she drunk, high.
Indianapolis,
You
Indiana.
can always see it in
This
their
dude
eyes.
thinks he's a ninja cat, trying to walk on the fence.
Oh! Spider-Man, Wolverine. Whoa, the goddamn Spider-Man mode. What in the fuck? Catwoman? I ain't never, bro. The lick ain't that serious, bro. I promise you, if following a job is easier, you just gotta be a little patient. But, you know what I'm saying? Putting in an application is easier. Man, Naptown, y'all gotta do better than this. Shout out Indiana, though. Young white male, 5'6", tall, wear pants, grind, clown on the fence, backyard.
Lake
no
Worth
fucking
Beach,
reason.
Florida.
For no reason. Fuck, they got ghosts.
This intoxicated woman thinks she's Queen Victoria. Lady, it's not your...
Creepy Tub, I fuck with you, but I ain't, you know what I'm saying, too much of the brightest of the brightest. I think that's Elizabeth. We gonna keep rocking.
Mansion. Get off this property.
That nigga roast the shit out of her ass, though. She do like Elizabeth. Motherfucker Franklin the turtle looking ass. Master of Disguise looking ass. Gold member looking ass. I love gold!
Houston, Texas. This young lady
H
approaches the
time.
house at 1:05 a.m. Let's see why she's here.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Oh no, she got a lookout. Nope,
To the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
she got a lookout. Anytime you see a female alone, don't do it. Sex sells and it kills. These people be trying to get you set up, bruh. She ain't even nothing that's worth getting set up for. A little boy body ass.
Heather.
Virginia Beach, Virginia.
Looking for Heather.
Virginia, what's up with
Do you
y'all?
know a neighbor named Heather that lives like right on here? All right, my bad, dude. I'm totally sorry. I thought this was the house because it didn't have a car. Yeah.
Yeah, he definitely off of it. See, he just was drinking. You know what I'm saying? I guess all these houses kind of maybe look the same. So yeah, he fucked up. That's all
And she
good.
doesn't drive, and I haven't been around. Sorry. All right, dude.
Parkville, Maryland. This dude's wearing a mask and asking for candy at 5:50.
This boy think he's Scorpion. He think he's Sub-Zero. Asking for candy. Get your grown ass on, boy. He'll buy you some, broke ass nigga.
Can I help you?
Stupid ass mask.
Hi, you Sunday for me?
You don't have candy for me? Oh, the vest is even stupider. That boy got a sleeveless vest on, bro. What the fuck? Was you hot and cold? Oh my god, he got a, bro, your fashion, bro, what? You got a satchel, sleeveless fucking vest, scorpion mask. He better be mentally.
Never open the door for people like this.
Mentally are, as the other man said.
Nah.
Military.
Brooklyn,
dad.
New York. Looks like these people are having some secret business.
New York, New York!
We'll find out later what kind of deal it is.
It's a crack deal. It's a meth deal. It's a shiesty deal. It's a gun swap. Nah, he definitely getting all them rocks. You know what I'm saying? He getting off that dog or goddamn that boy or that girl. If you know, you know.
Check since 11. My mother.
You mean a year ago? I'm just kidding.
Hold on, let me see it. Hold on.
Virginia Beach, Virginia.
Back at it again. Virginia, I look at a lot of y'all niggas ain't
Don't
shot.
get so high that you forget your own home address, buddy.
Never. That boy going through an episode, ain't it? He contemplating a lot of bit of his life right now. Yeah, he off of it. These be the folks that kill people when they hop behind the wheel. For sure.
Dallas, Texas.
Triple D. And if you didn't know about Dallas, Triple D, that stands for the Dirty Dirty Dallas. And this looks like a typical Dallas resident. That boy muscle, he been goddamn doing one workout. Because that muscle right there is the only defined muscle he got. He been doing lifting window up. Look at this dumbass. I don't even know what the fuck. This look like a hotel or something. What the fuck?
West Palm Beach, Florida. This couple's trying the doorknob. Homeowner called the cops. Now they're searching for the couple.
Oh, they trying to hit licks. He act like he door dashing or something. What you on? Weirdos.
Chula Vista, California.
Excuse me, I need an iPhone charger.
Nope. Go buy you one, broke ass nigga. Boy, I'll be talking so bad to him, but I get it. California is so expensive that everybody is trying to hit licks.
If you can open the door.
Nope, I can't.
Excuse me.
You got earrings, go sell them. Let's go sell that hat.
Dallas, Texas.
Triple D. Oh yeah.
This homeowner gets terrified as these gang members try to break.
You for sure need you to be protected in Dallas, because Dallas is a big city full of a whole bunch of everything. Big ass diverse melting pot. Got criminals here, rich people here. It's so much going on. But I would have got them. Police better hope they would have hoped the police got to him fast enough to fuck with me. It's nasty work. It's checking under the door. Lesson right here too. Don't, and I mean don't put your spare key under no goddamn mat. That about the dumbest thing you could do. If you lock your door, you lock yourself out. It just is what it is. Call management. Or figure out another play. You know what I'm saying? Hide your spare key some elsewhere. but not anywhere near your front door. Please don't do that. That's a terrible look. That's what
Get
they're
away
looking
from
for.
my front door.
Yeah, gone. Oh, he's sissy.
Get away.
I would have spared the sissy, but him right here, Playboy Cardi, fake boy Cardi, I would have popped his ass. Homeless swag, just nasty. Yeah, I would have flamed them. I would have spared the other two, but him thinking he's so tough. Yeah, alright.
Dallas, Texas.
Back at it, Triple D. Dirty, dirty Dallas. Look at that. Look at all these motherfucking cars. This nigga by a highway. Peeled off by the highway just to hit this lick. This is
Another
crazy.
2 men trying to break the door lock.
You might as well just go ahead and kick the door down, stupid man. Look at this shit. Big ass truck, goddamn, right off the highway. They knew about it. It was a stash house or something they was trying to get into. But you just wasted your time, dickhead. $5:16 p.m. This is right fucking when motherfucking work traffic.
Virginia Beach, Virginia. This dude comes to steal a package.
What in the entire fuck, bruh? I know I didn't just see what I just seen. We can see you, gang. Gang said. Alright, I'm ready to hit the lick. Nigga said. Alright, I'm ready to hit the lick. You think they got me? Alright. Stupid ass, man. Fuck is you doing?
His face. But we already got his face on camera.
Stupid, man. We see everything about you. Ears, hair. You ain't covered shit up. Ponytail. Oh my God.
Westminster, California. 2 girls come to this house. One steals a cat. The other almost does, but here's the homeowner
This
on the
is
doorbell
mentally
cam and
ill
backs
shit.
off. Let's see if the first girl returns the cat or not.
Stealing a whole fucking animal with no means, nothing to take care of it, no litter box, no nothing. That's some illness right there in itself, bro. Leave them folks animal alone. I don't care about no damn dog or no cat stealing out nobody's yard. That shit is stupid. If I really wanted a dog or a cat, I would just go work hard and get one. That especially means something to me. Fuck. Stolen kitten. Child from the middle school wearing Lilo and Stitch shirt. So we got a kid and her mama. Mama tried to hit the lick. The kid really just wanted to pet the cats.
Atlanta, Georgia.
Atlanta. Home of the
Another
lick
man
hen
steals 3
niggas.
dogs. Keep your
Home of the lick hen niggas. Like I said, bruh. Snatching dogs, really? That shit is crazy to me, but I guess there's a hustle in everything, and money in everything, and monetary value in everything. It's what kind of happen to be in a capitalistic country, but fuck it. Someone came in the yard and stole 3 of my dogs. 3 of them bitches.
inside before it's too late.
I would be pissed.
Birmingham, Alabama.
Roll Tide. This is a nasty work. You better off just working for Amazon. They doing a goddamn snatch and drive. Alright, back to the kitty video.
Should I ask who this is?
Yeah.
Should I ask who this is? Yeah, I'd be too polite with it. Yeah, that's a little girl. Yeah, I got little girls out here doing crime.
She left the minute she heard us because I had the microphone on.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Richmond, Virginia.
He looks slow.
This man...
Bruh. Look at you, bruh. How dumb are you? Who contemplates doing a crime in front of a camera? In front of somebody's door, in front of the camera. Should I do it? Should I not? Should I do it? Should I not? You shouldn't do it, bruh. Get you a job. It's not that hard.
He's coming to the door, and the homeowner doesn't know who he is. He's walking around the neighborhood, even checking people's mailboxes.
He thirsty. Boom, boom, boom.
Alright, who are you?
What's wrong?
Huh?
Huh?
Who are you?
Time.
Alright.
What's
Tyler?
time?
You say that?
Hell no. Walking around my neighborhood, he's also checking mailboxes. Please be aware of people coming to your door. Boy, that fire would have been in my hand, bruh. Probably wouldn't have shot him. But like I said, what you checking my mailbox for, bro? What's up? Anything stupid come out his mouth? I don't know.
What?
I don't know what to tell you. I'll probably shoot that bitch.
Bronx, New York.
In New York. Dirty motherfucker. Oh, kid though. We in there. How they get in there? Dirty ass, old ass apartment building. What the fuck?
Meanwhile, these guys are still up to their secret deal. Let's see what it is.
Cocaina. Crackiana. Methiani. Trying to be a heroine. Boy, you was on camera with the drugs. Stupid man. He trying to short him.
Oh, sweetheart,
Yes, sweetheart.
you might be
I am on phone.
hit
Yeah?
because I only got one left.
No.
Unless you do hard rock.
Yes, I do.
Alright, take this.
Okay.
Alright, let me get the heart.
Oh,
I'm doing this on camera. And
Yeah, you stupid.
I'm right there.
And now you on YouTube. Now you on Creepy Tub, dickhead. I'm doing this on camera. And you still doing it on camera. But shout out to you, bro. You goddamn ran it up the goddamn 600K, bro. 600 motherfuckers seen your face, dickhead.
Because,
call me anytime.
I call you reason because I don't like, I like it sometimes, you know, like a blade that starts at 12. So I don't.
Uh-oh, she said she telling you.
Yeah, auntie, sometimes.
Auntie telling you when she need her fix. In the morning and at 12, nigga, get right.
Whittier, California.
1 a.m.
What's up, dude?
Oh, he drunk.
I can see your eyes, bro. I'm watching you look at me.
Stone Cold Steve Austin looking at him.
I want to ring the doorbell. Want to ring it?
Yeah, mental health is good declining as the days go
What's you
on.
guys looking for? It's a good question.
That nigga like Goldberg.
We can't answer the door right now.
Mr.
But if
Clean
you'd like to
looking
leave a
at nigga.
message, you can do it now.
I can just go for days on this man. Damn, right? Anybody recognize him? Yeah, he look like Goldberg. Stone Cold Steve Austin. Mr. Clean. That's where I seen him at. Time I do we recognize him. Hell yeah, I seen that nigga on the Mr. Clean box. Mr. Clean.
San Diego, California.
Becky, get the fuck off
So many
my
late
porch.
night creeps roaming
Ooh, look
around
at them
these days.
eyes. Them eyes is dilated. What is you on, girl? Look at that shit. Damn, girl, what the fuck? Alien ass. Damn, girl, your eyes is dilated. She on the acid or something, LSD. She can do that shit in her home. Get the fuck up a nigga pouch. Yeah, she's definitely DMT, LSD.
Whittier, California. This dude rings the doorbell. Let's see what he has to say.
Something. Ooh, double cup. That boy double cup sipping
I can't
goddamn
see very good.
alky.
I don't got no glasses on. My vision ain't the best, but I was gonna see if you could make a call to the ambulance for me. Or
He be so damn funny. You make the call, bro. He goes to the store. Walk to the store. He double cup shouted though. Pepsi cup and a normal cup. I've never seen this double cup combo. This is crazy.
I'm hurting.
Yeah, your liver probably hurting.
I don't know how to explain it other than I need help with the ambulance or possibly a blanket if it could help.
Nigga said a blanket. Boy, go walk your ass to the store.
I able to sleep on something like that. I've been homeless 11 years.
Indianapolis, Indiana.
Nap Town. This nigga knocking on the door like goddamn. He know him. Boy, pull your pants up. Oh yeah, he think he hard. He one of them. He a wigger. Boy, booty hole all on camera. That shit crazy. He not on the door.
Beaumont, Texas.
In a boat down there by Houston down there. Hell no.
Dallas, Texas. Another late night creep.
Another late night creep with this bitch. Ooh, she shining too. She a broke rich scammer. Wanna be rich broke scammer. That's the word. You ain't gonna say nothing, shawty? Oh, she got a cape. Oh, she had the. Oh, she was a junkie. She had the cape. I know when they dress like that. Got the cape. Dun 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 dun. Superhero ass.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, be sure.
Shout out to the Creepy Tub, man. A lot of things you can learn from this video. Please don't put no key under your door. If you got a Ring camera, talk to these motherfuckers. That might discourage them to leave. Call the police if you see it. Don't threaten to call the police. But W video, man. W React. Subscribe to the Creepy Tub. Subscribe to the Chill Life of Zoe. And that's that. And we gonna come back with another react, man. Shout out to y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Your favorite moment. Your favorite Ring camera moment. And we gonna come back with another one, man. Till then, see you later.